I hear it's homecoming week at Logan View, and I'm visiting with two members of the Logan View Student Council, and they're going to tell us just a little bit about what's been happening this week during homecoming, what events are still coming, and what you can look forward to. Jake, can you tell us what's been happening already?
Well, it's homecoming weekend. We've had several different things. We've had the bonfire on Monday night. We have the parade coming up on Friday, and then the football game, of course. But this week at school, we've had dress-up days, and they are...
Monday, we had a rival day where kids dressed up in different schools' attire. And then Tuesday, it was Cowboy Day, and everyone came to school as a cowboy. And Wednesday, it was Dancer Day, so we saw all the decades of dance. And today, it was Pirate Day.
Tell me just a little bit about how Student Council helps with homecoming. Are there other people involved with homecoming activities?
There's a lot of people involved with homecoming activities. We're mainly in charge of decorating for the dance, coming up with ideas for like dress-up days, and our president Kendra Block helped decide things for like the bonfire and the parade. She helped decide some things for that.